Okay, look at that, we're back. Alright, so I got, I'll show you the other one up and through, I just grabbed it, got it up so it doesn't get on the manifold, right? Well, anyway, the other one, the negative, not the other negative, there's only one, well, there's many negatives, I'm sure, on this, but the negative we're dealing with is right here, so I'm going to put him down a bit and show you. See, here's a battery box thing, like that. Nice little finger hole thing. Isn't that cool? Get your finger in there. How about they not put the finger hole in there in the tab, and then there's no water going to get in there. But anyway, that don't matter. So I have a 7/16 little mini wrench here, because I believe it to be a 7/16, and I can stick that inside and put it in a holding pattern in there somewhere. I can get the top of the nut or the bolt, which right now I cannot. You know what? It might be a little bit nicer to turn it around the other way. Anyway, well, all right. Well, what I'm going to do first is see this. This is where it's attached to on the back of this one here. So because it's the body shop, I have an error tool here. So you might want to turn down your volume a little bit, or not. So anyway, I'm going to see if I can't just get it to twist real quick. There's paint on there, so I don't expect a lot from it. I expect to have to do it a little bit. One do its job and another one hold it in place. So, all right. So now, look at this. And my muffler, my shield there, I put in there. Look, now it's all loose. Craziness, huh? But I'll tell you what, that pipe gets darn hot. Anyway, it's not just going to come right out of there. I kind of figured it was just going to come out of there, but no. All right. So anyway, he's up there. I'll use my exhaust to hold him in place. I'm going to stick this wrench in there, see if I can't grab it a little bit. Switch it around the other way. And see if we can't, like I said, see if we can't grab it. Well, this darn thing, maybe, since it's a little loose, we can give it a little, maybe it'll slide out of our way so we can get at that guy. Maybe not. I'm thinking so, though. Sure, it's just, whoever did this did a great job of getting that thing in there. Alright, I'm going to come along like this here. You know what, I'm going to go and get a longer one. This mini one just doesn't seem to be quite have enough room for my hands and everything else in there. Alright, so there we go. Now I have a regular long-handled one, but it's a six-sided, which is good lots of times, but in this case here, I'm just trying to catch anything. If I can just get it in and on there, it's just not impossible. I don't think anything's impossible if you sent a man to the moon, according to some folks, right? So let's do this here. I think I got it. Now, if you had to do that with a ratchet and another wrench, oh, you would have wanted to choke the, oh, look at that. I dropped my darn bolt. But it got caught in the battery that does no thing. And here's our cable. It looks like it had a pretty good ground. We're going to make it better. I need to put that back in there. Ooh, this is kind of warm. So anyway, whoop, 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 whoop. I'm going to throw the tools. The darn thing's getting me. So I'm going to attempt to put this back in there real quick. Uh-oh, now it's all falling apart on me. That's alright, the stuff that's falling apart is the stuff that goes on the top. So I'm good. I think. So here you go. Fingers, whoa! Fingers back in there. Going up. I'm going to do this here. First we're going to put a big fat washer on there, the big flat one. Then we're going to put the lock one on. And then I'm going to put this one back on here. There we go. We're going to get him. Get him cross-threaded, it feels like. And it's a now left. Uh-oh. Alright, this time here, there's no cable thing in the way, so it should be way easier. Oh, It's going to be real easy when I go and put this on. Take my darn nut back off. I'll have a fit. Alright, so here we go. Get out of the way, license plate. There you go. So put him back on. Because if you don't now, you might forget later. Here you go. Watch out. Alright, that's good enough. That battery can sit in there because I don't care, and sometimes you need more weight, so you know that battery weighs 60 pounds, I suppose. I'm gonna flip over my little battery holder thing. There you go. So, fun stuff. Now we're gonna go. I'm unloosing one of my other nuts there. I don't know. It's gonna be like a 9/16. It looks like a couple 9/16. I'll go get the 9/16. Come back and I'll show you. We're gonna ground it just right there. Right. Well, you know what? I'll show you. See that? Right there. Is that good? Do you think I should put it somewhere else? Right. Okay, good. Yeah. Right there then. Look at that. This thing is going to kill me. That is going to, well, it's probably not going to kill me. Something else will be the death of me, I'm sure. Thanks.